Welcome! This is a quick information share about a new Juremy feature that we developed. On our blog you can read about our new WebCat search extension that you can use to bridge online cat tools with various search pages like EUR-Lex, IATE or Juremy. So let me show you how that works. First, you install the extension from the add-on store for your browser, for example Firefox, Chrome or Edge, and then you have to do two things. One, you open pages where you would like search to be performed. Currently Juremy is supported, as well as EUR-Lex and IATE. Okay, and ideally you arrange them so that results from all of them are visible. Okay, that's one thing. And on the other side, you should open the online cat tool that you are working with. For the initial release, we support Matecat and the MemoQ web editor. Okay, so now that these two are opened, you translate as usual in your online cat tool, and as you are traversing in the translation grid, the extension triggers searches automatically. Now I click the source side of this segment, Regulation of the European Parliament and of Council, and you can see that this search was triggered in Juremy, where you get both IATE results and various exact or smart matches from the EUR-Lex corpus. But this search was also triggered in EUR-Lex. You can see it here, and EUR-Lex gives you the list of documents that match the given text, which you can open and search as you desire. IATE is only triggered for searches with limited number of words, currently up to 5 words for practical purposes. You don't want a full paragraph pasted in there. So you see that now it was triggered for this shorter search, and you can immediately see the results. One benefit of this extension is that it keeps the search pages such as IATE or Juremy open. It doesn't reload them for each search, so it doesn't have this slow initial delay. As you are performing new searches, they are instantly triggered. Okay, and how can you search? You can click the source segment, and then a source to target search is performed. You can select some shorter phrase from a source segment. For example, let's select explanatory memorandum. Or you can do a selection on the target side. And then you can see, in case of Juremy, the language pair is detected and the direction is automatically reversed. In case of IATE and EUR-Lex, you have to set the language pair manually. Yet it is not possible to set these with the help of the extension, but maybe with cooperation from these sites, future development can make that possible. Okay, no results still, but anyway. And with EUR-Lex, if your search language is not your display language, then you need to go to Advanced Search, and there you should be able to set the search language somewhere. Author, date, theme. Anyway, it should be somewhere in here. And with EUR-Lex you can also set the availability languages, which can be useful to restrict the document results to those documents that are available in your target language. And okay, let's see how it works in the MemoQ web editor. It's pretty similar. As we are traversing in the translation grid and selecting segments, we automatically trigger searches in Juremy, IATE when the search is short enough. For example, a commissions proposal. But also in EUR-Lex. We can try searching standard, essential patents. Yeah. Okay. And because installing browser extensions can be a sensitive topic, because they have access to the data on those pages where you are using them. In this case, it can access the content of your translation project. We open source this extension, so the source code is available for review, community contribution, and further reuse. That's it. Thanks for watching. Enjoy using this extension, and if your online CAT tool is not yet supported, or you have further search pages which perform quality search, then please suggest or contribute support. Thank you.